Namaste, myself Ambika. I'm from Moradabad. I had great experience here in Vinyasa Yogashala. Classes were very good. The asanas, the yoga asanas are according to the level of students, and I felt very comfortable here. The teachers, the faculties were very good. The subjects they chose are which we needed in a field of yoga. So I'm very impressed. And I'm very happy to be here, a part of this Vinyasa Yogashala. The food, the accommodation was also very good. The teachers, they always treat us like we are family. They're taking care of us, and they are so good. I had great experience, and I'm very grateful, very thankful to Vinyasa Yogashala, to the faculties. I'm very happy. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.